Hello, my lovely friends. Welcome back to Learn Persian with Asal. Today, I want to teach you Persian Alphabet Part 3. If you didn't watch the Part 1 and 2, you can watch that first, then come back and watch this part. I put the links here and also you can find them in description. Anyway, if you are an absolute beginner in learning Persian, this lesson is for you. So you can subscribe the channel and turn on the notification. I want to teach you the Persian alphabets in parts with more examples and exercises. So if you follow the lessons and do your homeworks, I'm sure you can learn the Persian alphabet. Today, I'm gonna teach you one letter. I choose one letter for this part because the fifth letter, which we want to study today, is similar to B, P, T, and the sixth letter is a bit different. So I don't want you to mix them up. That's why I choose to teach just one letter for this part. Okay, let's go. The fifth Persian letter is named Se, Se, and it is pronounced S, S, just like S in English. The form of this letter is exactly as B, P, T. Instead, it has 3 dots above. So in the beginning and the middle of the word, it is like, for example, sabt, لثه, کثیف, ثانیه. And in the end of a word, it is like, for example, اساس, ارث, میراث. Now I'm gonna show you a text. You can pause the video and find the 2 forms of the letter Se. Now, if you did the exercise, you can check your answers here. Now, let's make some new words with the alphabets that we know so far. Sabt, ثبت, record. منشی همه پرونده ها رو ثبت کرد. منشی همه پرونده ها رو ثبت کرد. ثابت، ثابت، steady. دوربین رو ثابت نگه دار و عکس بگیر. دوربین رو ثابت نگه دار و عکس بگیر. Well, let's see how to write them. Okay, we finished the lesson here. If you learned something, don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Now your homework is to write 3 lines of this letter and these words. You can share your homework on my Instagram or in the Telegram group chat. Also, if you have any questions, write in comments below. I will answer it as soon as possible. I'm Asal. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.